Hello, boys and girls. My name is Mr. K, and today I'm going to show you how to complete your Kojo the Entrepreneur book study. When your teacher shares this with you, you're going to see a Google Slides presentation, and you're going to go through these slides. Anytime you see a blue box, that means that you need to type in some sort of answer there. So it might be making a prediction. It might be putting in a short constructed response. When you do that, please use a complete answer and include text evidence when possible. You might be filling in events in a flow map, or you might be giving a little bit longer response there. So just go ahead and type in, put your cursor there, click on it, and then type the answer in. There's also a story elements page for you to fill in the characters, the setting, the plot, and the theme of the story. If you have any questions, please contact your teacher and they will be able to help you out. I hope you enjoy this book study as you learn about Kojo and his hens. Thank you.